night we come on this because
We are going so far.
we come on this because night where you want.
Me I beg you like that candy.
Put me cover.
Me I beg you like that candy for me because like God I mean no know my lighter there.
Me no know what my one day neither.
Right the candy for me now man. So where they?
What did you do some put up? Hey, come by here. Come here. Come on.
Yummy, what is... Stop that, man. What is for? What is for? I want. Yeah?
Come on. Just come on. Yeah. You can't dash me food. You dash me food. Yeah. Now come over here.
Listen to me, stop that now. Kira, sorry, man. Yanni, what is for, man? If you do them, I'll see you to the... What is that? What? Come for you, come. It's what is?
You want to making
Yeah?
You too?
Go in now,
Stop that.
Stop that, man. If you have the girl blind. Kira. Yanni.
Is what?
Open the door now.
Which door?
Yanni, open the door now, man.
Listen to me. You're not coming back in here unless you give me back my money for the food where your friend turned over a while ago.
Yanni, open the door, man. I don't make me have to lose my temper out here, man. What I'm to you?
Lose your temper because I lose mine long time. You're not coming in here unless you give me back my money.
Then what kind of madness to me you do? Eh? Supposed to be broken girl and a blind girl again.
And that you talk about, you not talk about the fact that you got what me supposed to eat that you not show me food. Eh, I bet you go back where you come from.
Jesus Christ, I want to get myself into Jesus. Eh? What me get myself into? What is me cap on myself, Jesus? Daddy got me door, man, and stop the foolishness, man.
Mar, you know what? Let me tell you this. You see the bag of unnecessary people you have in your night time and make me can't sleep, you have to go do something about it. Come in and I go stay in here with it.
Where you talk about? Where you really talk about?
Me I talk about the bag of nice, the boom boom and the this and that and rate in here. I want to sleep at night time.
So you're pregnant now, you can't boom boom and nice. You usually boom boom and nice. I mean, like work with it. Woman, allow me alone and come back with this.
Listen to me. Let me tell you this. Remember good stuff for me man you the inner. And if me say me no want to nice in, me no want to nice in ya. And there's something that we need to know about.
Something like what?
But yeah, babe, like say you're entitled to me place and me say me no want to nice. What part of me no want to nice, then I understand.
You need live on papers? Did you rent me nothing?
No,
you rent
but
me
you
nothing?
feel like you don't live on the papers. You live on the papers.
You're too big for all of this.
Eh?
Excuse me for my face.
No, but yeah, go let you want to do something about it. You look like them, you know what me man yard, so tell me there's something I need to know.
I tell you, because you see the rain now, taking a break on a Sunday is the best day. The line is coming down, Sunday, because we have
So yo, what make you look so better? I want you. Dog, you wouldn't even understand my youth. You wouldn't even understand. I can't imagine. Last night, big problem in my yard.
Mom, you don't talk, Mom. You don't
Yannick
say.
push down Kira. Push him down. And he knows that Kira blind because Kira come and kick over his suit. And he don't want to help him. Big old problem. And then after me carry on Kira and come back, he lock me out of the house. Out the door, me have to sleep. No. You know, out of my own house, brother. Come like she want me to create problem or murder down at this.
No, you can't do that, brother.
But brother, oh, me fi have my own place and more lock me out. And because of she, I'll tell me, say, if buy them back. Me fi buy back, you sit them what Kira can dash way. Eh? Tell me if no mad woman that they may have done there.
So, oh, Yannick is pregnant. Almost to have baby now and I push down. Me don't understand.
Brother, God no, me don't know what kind of crosses that they ask God them for, you know.
You can't say that. Your baby mother, you know. Your baby mother, you can't say that.
Did you tell someone really a shopper? Just excuse me, face.
Push me. Yes. Why?
Yeah, you're wicked.
Hey, girl,
Neighbor, look at the wicked girl. When you come. If you lie, if you do a torture. Why? Jesus, why?
You can't say that. Your baby mother, you. Me ain't good when you talk to her.
Brother, if I go down there, I know I'm proud of me on that, you know. I'm murder, you know.
No, man, I run money. Give me a cup. Give me with. So I can just run make you talk to her. I have baby mother that me your friend. Yo, you listen to me now, brother.
Brother.
What
oh, and some you see the phone and sit there, you see who you come with lampan? You see who you come with lampan?
You see,
I'm in the right here, sir.
You're mad.
I don't shake your feelings.
Calm down.
Me do it how when I'm feelings. It's alright. I must.
Calm down.
That's your feelings for?
You and the girl that you show. That's why you keep up with the hands in my yard.
Easy now.
It's alright. Watch. I bet you say.
Easy man, you're mad, you know man. Stop being like
this. 2 hours there, you think me never know me? No, me know for sure. Hey girl, watch that. Watch me and that.
Yo, control him. Watch me
and the 2 hours now. Watch me and the 2 hours now. Because I'm burn down this to the 2 hours in here.
Get up.
Y'all make a girl come up. Hey girl, ramp with me. In the yard, they can't ramp with me. Me can't understand you. Mother want mad me. Eh? Look how close the girl there and my nose on the girl there. Eh?
Yannick.
Look how close the hey. You know some me do your things in here? Eh? Look who first you come take up. Look on my belly with your pitney in it.
Yanni, you mad?
If me mad, I'm going to show you mad.
Me and the girl not there. Listen to me, you're pregnant. Why you stress out? Why you do them as Yanni?
What me I do?
Eh?
What make me I do?
Last night, you pushed down your girl. Look, you create problem.
What make me push him?
I mean, me don't know.
You one of them are your girl, them are your go on like any your girl them.
You give me girl.
What you say?
You give me girl.
And y'all a back chat me too. You try stress me, you try turn up my blood pressure, you give me one right hand on my nose.
You need to relax yourself and stop stress out yourself with the belly girl.
Relax myself. My blood pressure done gone up because of you. You're not a good man. Remember me tell you say you're not a good man.
Me and the girl don't have nothing at all. And you need to relax yourself, Yanni. What if?
Boy.
One tear.
Really weird man.
I mean, one tear. One tear, Yanni.
Boy.
What?
Oh my God, that's weird. Diana. Ah.
Wait, you see it?
Boy. Pain.
What kind of pain?
Oh, baby, bottom.
Wait. Jesus Christ.
Baby, come on.
Hold on. Don't move.
Oh, God.
Babe, don't move. Come here. Amanda, come here. You look like shit. Come. You look like shit. Come on, me. You look like she have baby over there. You know about this already. You could have been running much time. Come now.
Why? No, hurry up.
Babe. Amanda, come now.
Why?
I feel sorry for you, you know.
Why?
Come to the hospital. Come, take time.
Wait.
Jesus Christ, Edward bus. Come, she in labor right now.
Wait, let me get the bar.
Why? Hurry up. Why? Hurry up. My garden. Hurry up. Baby, up.
Hurry, come here. No one can't hold her like that, man.
Hurry up, ma. Baby, come here.
Wait. Now we keep going, so let me keep going. Do not have a baby after. Wait till I put it away. Wait till I put it away, doctor. Wait till I put it away. Don't have a baby after. Jesus. What going on, uncle?
Yeah, I know my nephew.
Boy, you call me, so I have to forward and where you go?
Yeah, man.
Where you go? Enough love. I'm glad to see you, man. I know.
Man, I feel for good, man.
You do have something to tell me. They say you have something to tell me.
Right now.
Yeah, so from you call me, you know, so I have to reach you, uncle.
Alright, you what go on now, my nephew. The reason why I call you, because you don't know a tradition where we grew up in. And you know, say, the first youth of the gods, the second youth of you. You understand? So, your father, they left some things to give you. So, like when you get your two youths them now I right time. So, I go for them and make you get them.
Alright.
You hear me, nephew?
Yeah, man. Alright. So you get big boy. Eh?
Man, come in, so.
You know me, mommy? Ah, good. Just saying get big.
Yeah, man, if you grow, man. So my nephew, this year I got a pay. And this year I got a beer. This year for your protection. And don't take off, you know. And the most important thing is that this year I bought a ocean. The God is for your river. So you go take it and you go down the river and you go bathe. So when you bathe, you know if you bathe so till 21 days. You understand what I say? Alright, so hold this. You see now that you get them here, you get a gift. If you can heal people. You understand? You can cast out demons. Yeah, man. And you see, if you go in a cave, if you just go in a cave and stay in there for 9 days, after the 21 days where you no bathe, you can do magic. Wonders of things you can do, my nephew. You understand? So my son visionary, me I go give you a jump, make you wake up your ancestors them for you. Bad man. Yeah man, he's the bad man.
Yeah, sama papa, papa. God of the bear, God of the head, I come to you because you blessed me with 2 boys, which I'm grateful. I am grateful. They don't favor me, but I care them for their work. They're going to work with me. No, so accept them. Accept them. Accept them. I think so. Accept him. Accept him. Accept him. Accept him. Hey, papa, ta ta. There's someone coming. I can see him. Go fetch him. Hey, papa, sa. Ha, 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 papa, say. Oh, papa, say. Ho, ha. Hey, papa, sa. Ho, ho. Ha, the way. Oh, papa. Ay, papulan. Oh. Hey, what can I do for you? Boss, you want to know some business is make big money. I mean, I tell you, say, everything just change since one little Chinese man just come build up shop side of me. So right now, I want to get back on top and make some more money. So I don't know what you can do for me.
You come to the right place, man. You have prosperity, you have business growth, and you have riches. Take up one of them. Take up 3. So here what you gotta do? You gotta carry them 3 something there. You gotta carry them go to the river up a Rowan River, down a Sab, in a Westmoreland. You gotta dash it in the cave. And your riches are gonna come through. But no owe me no money, you know.
Alright, my boss.
If you owe me, the gods are gonna take everything from you.
Yeah, man, the first piece of money I make, I call link, man, I'm interested you get money.
Alright. How much money you can come now?
I just want $20 US money, you know.
No! Don't touch it. Put it in the pan, in the pot. Alright, so here what you gonna do. Meanwhile, the money cook. Go on home. I'm gonna make sure, say, do what I tell you to do, you know.
Alright, my boss.
Do what I tell you to do. Remember, don't owe me.
Yeah, man, the first money I make me link, you see?
Alright. Yeah, Papa. Yeah, Papa.
How you look, sir?
You know, say, what the doctor didn't tell me, say, about pinata and macaroni. I believe say true.
I don't know what you're talking about. What true?
You no black, me no black, and them come black.
So what you trying to say? What you trying to say? I put in my jacket? Eh?
But me no black and you no black, so...
No, but me ask you what you trying to say. Me sure know some macaroni ugly just like you. You know, sister, the tone favor roly-poly. So what you trying to say?
Them the pit in favor me none at all.
You know must know? Maybe I'm not here when maybe your daddy one come in and know what you trying to say.
My family is a very nice, uptown, look good family. For me family, them no look so none at all.
So that means you trying to tell me so you have a jacket too? Eh? So, no problem. You pick my jacket and your jacket, so me and your mama give bun. Right.
I might take you the lighter in your head back too.
Thank you. Your voice sounds sweet, man. It sounds like a voice that I heard on the radio.
I mean, called Pinedo.
Pinedo? But your voice sounds so much like Chris Brown.
Yeah, man, then so me in favor, but I say go still more time.
Really?
Yeah. So where you want go?
You know, say I shop me one go do, but thanks anyways, Chris Brown. You see him?
Come on, man, follow you.
Yo.
Where you going, boy?
There, my boy.
You know, say over me, I'm say I can get a link, boy.
You all live long, you know. You just see me come link you already. And you know, say, yo, you just step on the phone with my auntie. After she did foreign. She said, she had come down, You see me, I said? So, yeah, you don't know, you tell me say somebody at Portland. A man will be at Portland, he want to meet, but you don't know the man. You don't know what a man look like, you don't know the man.
Right now I'm broke in that, I don't have money. So right now I pretend to be the man.
From Portland.
Yeah, I give a piece of money, I think good. You just want to pretend to be the man from Portland, you understand?
A simple thing that, man. So that means I forget some things together and I see that?
No. You don't want to take the car there. Yo. What's up? I see you know.
But yeah, I'll get the things them together. You see me?
Yeah.
For me son now over them, I will probably use them as part of props too, you know.
Yeah man, yo, hear what I'm telling you, the money fine she come from, so you must have money. She don't know the money look like somebody tell him about the man. You don't know what the man look like or nothing. So I say, but anyway, I go on this all in somebody now. Let's see, I forward.
So come in now. Come in. Yo, but everything good, brother. Don't worry yourself, man. Cause we can get the job done, man. The man from Portland. What you talk about?
Yeah. Me don't know a man in that. What me wonder what a man do?
Yeah, Pasha. Oh. Chapapa. God of the Aki tree, you say I should laugh. Hey. Should be fruitful. Hey, Pasha. Hey, Pasha. The one I want come to strong. Bag of people. A bag of tears. Oh, Pasha. I see it, I feel it. Mama. God of the tree. Hey, Pasha. Stop. Come. How can I help you today?
You know, say, I find one man in Jamaica. And I think the man did love me, you know. And I see me in sufferation. And I look about in visa and everything. And make him come and for him. And you know, say the boy is grateful to me. The boy don't love me, a tricky boy trick me. And everything he tell his mother believe. His mother dey on film side, his sister, everybody film, all his baby mother dey on his side. And a whole heap of time me used to send money before me marry the boy, you know. Me send money go give him, and he take him and buy picnic clothes, and I'll feed him baby mother and his mama. And the whole of them when they act like me and them a friend. And the boy up there disrespect me and style me. All they keep girl with me too. And me find out till me animal have to fight in a crowd. You understand? And the whole of them a texted for me, and me not do them nothing. And me used to take care of them and then turn them back for me. Them man grateful, and me come fit make you give me something for time. Cause me not let him go so easy, me spend too much money on him.
Hey. God of head, God of beer. God of head, God of beer. Me see everything what you do for your boy. And the boy come around and style. Laugh off of you. Everything what him a do. You take him out of the slum. Give boy clothes, make boy look good. Feed boy. Give boy money. And I one of them I do it too, you know. And more I want. But this one you just run up and down, you're making stop run and stand one place. And stand on your foot. And right time you come check me. Turn round. And you see that something there? No, not that side, that side. You see that something? Picky. Picky man. Nothing on there. You go put it under him pillar. You sleep on the right side. So you make sure you put it on the right pillow. Right? Put it under a pillow. And he won't left your yard again.
You're not going to do me now.
That is nothing to do with you. That nothing to do with you. Just do what me tell yourself you have to do. Right? Make sure you do everything what me tell us if you do, you know. If you want this to work, me say you try with him. You been a try and a one man you try with. You see? Me see everything. And a one man you try with, and I try with one. But tell you what, you see, your tone of voice. Sometimes I run away man, they say sometimes you see something here. Sometimes I hit a downfall. You see?
So
and everything I'm talking.
Oh, sorry.
We use it too much. You use yours too much.
True.
You see me? And not everything people say you have to answer back to. And not everything people say you have to do. Sometimes you must make things flow. Right?
Yes, sir.
And you run with man them, you know. And you run with all of them. Your behavior. Man no like excitement. Man like excitement in a bed. You know, have so much excitement in a bed, but man like excitement in a bed. So therefore, if them not get it, you know like nice. Just like how money no like nice, man no like nice from woman. Man like to be dominant. They are dominant species. You see? But do exactly what me tell us if you do.
Put it on it right.
I want to give you something to go back to sell. And clear yourself. Right? So here what you gonna do for me? You take them. You go bathe. And so when you take your first bathe, you're not gonna bathe until 21 days. You see? You're not supposed to bathe again until 21 days. I suppose you can do up a little something and wipe out where you have to wipe out, but no bathe. You see? 21 days. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell you if you do. What I want? Where money?
One of my friends tell me about you and she said she never pay no money, so I never know so me have to pay. Much money me owe you? Me carry back, me don't carry come.
Yeah, what? You see, if you leave here today and you don't care about my money, come give me. I can't tell you what going to happen to you, but make sure you care about my money, come give me. You see? You're a foreigner, a US me want. What good? Hey, Papa, Papa, ha, ha. Got off the tree. Damn, I'm tough. Hey, got off the head. Got off the beer. Oh, Shapa. Hey, Papa, hey. Man, fall on.
Wanna move to a drive off a tree.
Slow in there.
Slow down.
Off a tree. Off a tree. Make sure you have a fear in the mind. Come. Ready? Off a tree. Yo! Hello, yeah, come with me. We have space, man. Forward. Drive. To a move. Off a tree.
Destination reach.
Free outside.
I'm going to work out here.